It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Alright, we've tried M&Ms before, but we were at the store today and we found these, and it says they are crunchy mint and crunchy espresso. So of course, we have to give them a try.
They smell good.
Are you doing the espressos first?
Very minty.
Or the mint?
I'm doing the good ones first. Smell wonderful.
I hear you crunching.
That's delicious. It's almost like a Thin Mint Girl Scout cookie in a M&M.
Wow, I can smell them from here.
They're good. Delicious.
Thin mints are the...
Alright,
I saw something flame.
let's check out. I'm not sure what's in there that makes it crunchy, because it looks just like chocolate, but they are very good. I'm going to pass on these. Doug's going to have to give those a try because I am not doing anything that tastes like coffee. Alright, give them a try.
It says M and M. They're pretty good.
How do they compare to the coffee nut?
I like the coffee nut ones better. But you'd like them. You should try them.
Oh no. You can try them. Alright,
Some of the videos.
Brandon's here, so he's going to give them a try. He said he won't try the coffee ones either. He must take after his mother. Give him a shot, see what you think.
Smell like a really strong Thin Mint. I think I gotta try a couple more.
I hear a squeaky door. Come on out, James. Tell us what you think.
That's really minty. Good. Tastes like mint.
What do you think?
They're good. Taste
You must
Thin
like them.
Mints.
Keep on eating them.
Yeah.
Alright, James, try some coffee. Or espresso. Doug's leaning in to grab some more mint.
Those do taste like the Girl Scout cookies.
Those ones are good.
Yeah?
Man, I think Girl Scouts
And
of
it tastes
America
like-
better be stewing M&M.
Peanut butter. Kind of tastes like peanut butter.
Feels like peanut butter?
Kind of.
Alright, what's our thought on mint? Thumbs up. What's our thought on espresso? Come on, espresso, what do you think?
They're pretty good.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Where's your thumb? Alright, Emmett just woke up from his nap and he's ready to give him a try. Do you want to try a brown one first or a green one?
Cream.
A green one.
Yeah, that's the end. Well, the top should
What do you think of that kind of M&M?
the way you're doing it. It's going backwards.
It's giving you energy, huh? How is it, Em?
Back.
It's bad? It's minty, huh? You want to give a brown one a try? Alright, see if that one's better.
Right now. Good spoilers.
What's the matter? What do you think of that one? Is that one good or yucky? What? Is it good? Is the green good? Are the green ones good?
No.
No? Are the brown ones good? Which ones do you like, Emmy? Green or brown? You like the brown ones? And not the green ones.